In this video, we are cleaning the toys. You can see the colored furry toys. We will clean the toys today. This is pink color. You can see this is blue color. We put them into the bucket. We are collecting the toys one by one. To clean them, you can see they are very muddy toys. We need to clean the toys to reveal the animals. The toys look very muddy. Let's clean the toys. Let's collect the last toy. You can see the bucket is empty now. Now we will wash the toy. You can see the water is very fresh and clean. Let's clean the toys to see which toy is it. See. This is an anomaly line. Let's pick up the next toy. This is green color. This is rhino, the animal. Now this is green color. Let's clean it. Is anomaly cows. Now pick the next animal. This is blue color. This is anomaly goat. This is the biggest toy, and this is pink color. This is anomaly lobster. Let's clean this yellow color. Yeah? This is anomaly camel. This is yellow color. This is anomaly giraffe. This is orange color. This is anomaly sheep. This is green color. This is anomaly donkey. This is blue color. This is anomaly tung tung sahura. This is blue color. This is anomaly tiger. This is blue color, and this is the largest toy. This is anomaly elephant.